I'll be showing you how to add Stakonomy coin and the other coins on the network to your SafePal wallet. So what are you going to do? First of all, look at the wallet and you will see this area. Okay, can you see it now? We are just clicked. This particular place that has a small dot here. Just click by the side. Okay, you click this arrow to add a new coin, and then you click add manually. So in this place, the network name is Stakonomy Atlas Testnet. So you put Stakonomy Atlas Testnet. Okay, so your RPC URL. So let me get that from where I copied it down. RPC. Okay, here is the URL. Sorry. Okay, so I copy that. I go back to that place and paste the RPC URL there. Then what's the chain ID? I go back to where I wrote it down. Here is the chain ID. So I copy that again. Come back here. Okay, there. Then what's the currency symbol? So the currency symbol is simply Stako. All right. Then what is the chain, the blockchain or the block explorer URL? I'll come back here again, look for that block, which is this, the block explorer URL, and copy. Then come here and paste, come here, paste it here. Okay. So after pasting, I click add. Okay, the network has been added. It was added initially, but I was just repeating this. That's why you see that it's added. Okay, good. So let's check if we have that in our wallet, because I added it initially. Okay, manage coins. Okay, stay cool. So if you are adding for the first time, you wouldn't be seeing that. The reason why you are seeing what you just saw now is because I did add it before trying to do this video. So I deactivated it and added it again. Okay. Or should I see my stake now? I'm not even seeing it. Stay cool. Stakonomy. Okay, let me search for it and see if I can see Stakonomy. I'm not even seeing it here. Okay, don't worry. Let's just do the next thing. All that you know is that you did add it and it's supposed to show. I will sort out that. So let me begin to add the other coins. You don't follow the same way you did for the first one. What you are going to do here now is to click on manage coins. Okay, so you click on enter token contract address. Okay, so let me just go and copy the next token I'm going to add. So I'm supposed to add the Pinomy. So this is the contract address. So I'll just copy this and come to this place again and paste it into that box. Now it now says add special this thing. So which of them am I adding? Which of them am I adding? Okay, click on add select network. Select network. Look at it. Stakonomy is here now. So that is the network. So I will just paste the contract address here. You can see it, Pinomy, symbol, so click confirm. This has already been added to. I added it initially. So let me add the fresh one that I have not added before. So I go back to manage coins. Remember, we started from here, manage coins, so that it will be easier for you when next you are searching for it. Click here and then go back and copy the next address that you're supposed to add. So we are going to look at the next one, which is crash survive. I'll copy the address and take to that place too. Okay. So on getting here, I will paste it into that place. Okay, and click add custom token. Select network. Remember that the network we are using is the Stakonomy. Okay, so that's Stakonomy. So paste that address, the contract address, into this place and wait. Can you see crash survive CROV has come up? Do you see now that there was no issue? Now this one is added fresh. The first two were added initially. That's why you saw those things not coming up when I needed to add them. So let's add the third one, which is the uprise. So copy the listing and just paste into here and click add token. So you look for the network, just start with ST. You see, Stakonomy will come up again, and then you paste that address into it. Okay, you now see again, you confirm, and automatically it's added. That's how you're going to add all the coins manually, and at the end of the day, they will all reflect in your wallet. So let's go back and see if those coins we added are showing up in our wallet. We have added, apart from this economy, we have added like 2 or 3 more wallet. Okay, you can see them now. You can see CROV, you can see uprise. Can you see now? Those are the new 2 that were added to it. Remember that this economy itself is the network, so we have added these 2. So that is how you're going to add all of them using the contract addresses to add them to your SafePal. After that, you can now go to your dashboard in your Stakonomy network or platform to go and transfer them to this place. Usually, you know that when you want to transfer coin, you just do here, click on receive. Okay, when you click on receive, you copy the address from here, take to your dashboard, you go and click on the coin you want to send and click on send. You paste this address into it and send. So that is it. Thank you and God bless you.